Hi guys, it's Iain Myles here from Kamalifestyles.com. So, what do girls do that is wrong in bed? Now you see, that is the question that I'm going to be asking the public today. Now, a good partner in bed is never boring in bed, and many of us are guilty of making these mistakes in the bedroom. Now you see, some will learn from them, but there are plenty who are still making those same wrong mistakes over and over again. Now you see, personally, I think that they're gonna move their body a bit more, as I feel like they're making me do all the work. I mean, I really like it when they play in bed and when they do their part, and makes it all much more fun and memorable. But can they see their own wrong, and can they talk about it? Now, what else will they say? So gents, get ready, as I'm gonna be getting the most honest answers today, so stay tuned. Hi guys, now the question that we have for today is, what do girls do that is wrong in bed?
What? Going into bed too quickly.
Turn the lights off.
I guess if you're selfish, that's wrong.
Not calling good name, maybe.
Not giving enough pleasure to the another one, I think another guy, maybe.
If you're selfish and you're just thinking about pleasuring yourself, like the guy pleasuring you.
We want the guys to take over and don't do enough ourselves. That's what I'd say.
Take a time, make a man a little bit work to deserve what he should deserve in the end.
If you make the guy work too hard, surely maybe he will lose interest.
I think completely the opposite. Actually, the guys will never lose interest if they work too hard.
I don't think anything we do is wrong. Like guys, like they need to be a bit more like hard. I don't like boring guys. No, I like guys to be more like playful.
Like last longer, or?
Yeah, last longer and do a bit more like move the hips, kiss her neck, kiss her loads and pull her hair.
When they'll give you a blowjob, yeah, but then it backfires. They will ask for their turn.
Yeah.
And like sometimes they try to get freaky, like too freaky, and they'll try to slap your time. That's not for them. That's what we do. You can't slap.
Sometimes if they go down, whether they realise it or not, sometimes they use teeth.
Yeah.
That's a bit uncomfortable, and you have to kind of get through it.
Yeah.
And be polite about
Clench
it.
your teeth.
Yeah. You don't want to ruin the mood and all that, so I would say that's my answer.
How do you think that women could improve on what you said? Like, is there a way that could be fixed?
If you've heard of tantric sex, it goes into the foreplay, it goes into like those kind of things, and I think men and women both can learn from that kind of stuff. So anyone looking for tips, I would say that's where I'm going, so I would suggest the same for other people.
Just lay there and do nothing.
That's
The ultimate.
Have no enthusiasm.
no emotion. Just man, it's like
It's like a dead fish.
Oh my god, no, I did hear something really rank. Like, this is really disgusting. Apparently, like, one girl had her period or something, and then, like, there was some kind of mix-up with the guy, and, like, I don't know about the rest, but, you know, you guys can use your imagination, but she was on her period, and, like, she was totally okay with everything. Like, I don't understand that. That's messed up.
what I can think of is like when doing doggy style, they do not go, I call it like the mountain. So let's say the back needs to come up. That's real love. If the back is like this, it's not good enough.
When the guy only wants to satisfy himself and he doesn't care about what the girl feels like, I think that's the main one.
I had some complaint from my friends that when they go down there, they smell like cheddar. So ladies, keep it clean, please. Clean and safe.
They wear the wrong lingerie, and that's a big turn off, bruv.
Okay.
It's got to look right. It's got to look Victoria's Secret. If not,
it's a no-no.
Yeah, women back in India like put the lights off. They don't want to be seen. Yeah, you got to see, right? You got to like find them.
Bitches using teeth. I don't know why you would want to use teeth on the like. That's not smart. I don't know why. Would you like teeth on your? No. So like, why would you want teeth on the
cuddle and stuff like that? I think not every guy likes to do it. Yeah, I think that's like
nothing,
apparently.
Girls don't do anything wrong in bed. Yeah, that's my.
I'm perfect, so nothing at all. No.
Could there be anything that could potentially be improved?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
No.
Speaking from good experiences.
Yeah.
I don't think girls do anything wrong in bed. No.
Nothing at all?
No.
Nothing. Guys are the people who do things that are wrong in bed.
Sometimes it's a turn off for a guy.
How do you think that could be fixed?
Talk more openly about it. If you want the girl to be more active or do more stuff, then just say it. I mean, we're open-minded.
What about when you're having sex and you're like talking like a lot? Having a conversation, is that good?
That's cool. Not too much though. I mean, you have to concentrate on what you're doing, on feeling good. So yeah,
not being selfish, I don't know. I think, in my opinion, the woman should not give away everything immediately and should not go have fun with a guy immediately. She should be desired by him.
Where's the fun in that? There's no fun.
I think there is always a fun to achieve something which is hard. So then you have more, you have more respect to what you achieve.
How do you think these things can be fixed? Like, how can they stop doing that?
Stop watching porno.
Yeah. I'm thinking, hit a little one before you come into the bed so you can't be too horny. And you don't pull out too fast.
I guess like they mainly do it because they don't enjoy what's going on. So like be more
adventurous.
Yeah.
Try new things.
Try new things or try something that you're gonna know that you're gonna be entertained by, so that doesn't happen.
A lot of guys have told me and have said to us that when they're with a girl, like a lot of girls don't like giving blowjob. Do you think that that's true?
I think girls may be reluctant because some guys don't give it to us and expect that their own blowjob when they don't go down on a girl.
Is that always the case?
I would definitely say that guys expect a blowjob and they think going down on a girl is like the biggest compliment when really it should be both.
Personally not, but it depends on the girl.
I think it's just a stereotype behind certain things like
some people are just lazy. Just can't be asked. Lazy to do it. Like
show up.
Yeah,
I believe this sometimes might be the hygiene always of the guy. So a girl knows like when a guy is clean and everything. So as soon as I get in naked and you see everything is a bit rough, that can like pull a girl off.
Yeah, so I personally think some girls say that they don't do it, but they do it, and they just see it as a bad thing, and it makes them look like a dirty girl if they do it. But
I think it's like, why should boys have all the fun? That's the concept these days. Girls want to have some fun these days, man. They don't do it. I think with me, I've always been lucky, bro. No girls ever said that to me.
On the first date would be. But yeah, once you know the guy, why not?
not in my experience, I don't think so.
Hi guys, now that was really amazing and really insightful too. Also, please do check out our services and our ebooks by clicking at Kamalifestyles.com in the video description below, or by clicking on the card above and it will take you right there. Now I'm Iain Myles and I'll see you next time.